Johnny! 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 Johnny? What is this? Johnny! Is that you? Johnny!
Where are we? What
did you
happened
see
to the ship?
Did you see
What happened to it?
Well, did you see what happened?
I saw everything. We were trying to deliver these cargo ships to this new place and it crashed into this wall.
Yeah.
Where are we?
I'll show you right now. So, we're in a new place.
Whoa,
This is your new home.
This looks like just like our old planet. Old island, whatever you call it.
This is your new house. Remember backstage? This is the remake.
Ooh. Wait! I don't like this!
Alright, Johnny, what are you doing? Johnny,
I
what
found
are
a
you
manhole.
Don't go down there. Johnny! Oh my god, I gotta go get a plumber. Okay, I'm finally gonna go down. Johnny? What the heck?
Okay, welcome to my dance show!
Johnny, when did you set these up? James, you're fine. You're back?
Yeah.
Look, guys. It's literally the morning. You guys haven't had breakfast yet. Johnny, you're fine.
Wait, I forgot! I don't know how to swim, so I'm gonna drown.
No, James. I said not to. Run after James. Oh no, that is not good. Not good at all.